Slur, slur. Yeah, you just oh, you tell them if you like Odango. Do you like Odango?
No.
Oh, why not? It's too chewy.
Chewy.
Just, is it easy to swallow? It's difficult to swallow, right? Ang ganda kasi talaga yung parang mga bulaklak yung canvas nyo eh. Head to toe siguro yun. How is it? Sorry, I don't like it. How about the white one? How's the white one? It's the same. How about the matcha one? No, thank you. You want? No, thank you, mommy.
Look, I painted a leaf monster bird.
Galing humanap ng moment ah. Ay kasi, dyan siya ayo. Yung puno na yan, oh, yan, ganyan. You do it again, you're running towards mommy.